all over. FPS, put your hands over your head or we'll open fire.
Hit it!
They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. The senoritas, they sing and they swing. They don't matter. It's very nice. So full of fun. And when they're dancing, they bring a happy ring and a kettle. Singing a song all the day long. If you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete. And that teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana.
See, senorita, I know that you would like a chicky, boom, chick. It's very nice, so full of spice. I place my hand on your hip, and if you will just give me your hand, then we shall try, just you and I.
Fat, shut up and help me down, all right?
And I teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
You start dancing, I'll blow your brains out.
Give me that thing!
Wow, see ya!
There he is!